Hi, welcome to Patong, Phuket, Thailand. It's Saturday, 11 a.m. in the morning. We're ready to walk around the city of Patong here. This is Patong city. Down there is Patong Beach and Kalim Beach, and then they got the Chai Trăng Beach, Paradise Beach over there, and then over there is Caron Beach, Qatar Beach over there. And then this is the apartment right here. It's we just rent the place yesterday. Pretty nice place, about 12,000 baht like that a month. They have the 10,000 and they have the 8,000 also. But this is a bigger room. They have a place you can cook foods like that. So really nice room. They got showers, everything here. So let's go check out the city of Patong. This is the 7th floor here. So really nice room. They have security and everything. So down there is the Nanai road like that. Got stairs, everything. You have to pay for the power. I forgot how much it is. It's at about 2,000 baht extra. You use AC like that. Let's go. I ask them later. They go by the kilowatt, whatever. How much kilowatt? So now there is Nanai Road, and they have all the hotels and guest houses down there. Sorry, Cup. This is the second floor. One more. So now is the lobby. They got a little bookstore. Sorry, Cup. So, they have a little security at night. They have need a ship to go in. Now it's kind of windy. It's raining season, so you get used to it. Sometimes it just rain a little bit. Sawadee Krab. Oh, my friend asked how much the power. How much is 1 kilowatt
Again,
for the electricity? How much is 1 kilowatt?
kilowatt.
Yeah, electrical. How much?
One unit.
1 unit.
8 baht.
1 unit 8 baht.
Yes.
Okay, ขอบคุณครับ
Ah.
1 unit.
Water. 1 unit. 20 baht.
So 1 unit 8 baht and 1 unit 20 baht. Oh, okay, ขอบคุณครับ ขอบคุณครับครับ So 1 unit 8 baht and 1 unit 20 baht. So we're heading down Nanai Road. This is Nanai Road. All the way is Banzan Road. If you go this way down, 5 minutes down there is the Sai Nam Yen Road. So they got all kind of massage for people. Oh, this is a hair beauty shop. So down here is the all kind of restaurant and foods, and then more guest houses here. So you can get a place for like 8,000 baht like that. So really cool. Some place say cover water and power, but you have to pay a little more. I think it's like 13,000 baht like that. But you just want the basic room, then 8,000 baht. They have laundry off here. You want to wash, do the full service, or you want to do the self-service down there. Have the coin laundry down there. To the hotel up there also. So they have different budgets for you, depends how much you want to spend. So you can have you can live very good life here, retirement with a small budget, like $200-300 a month. And they have the food here. We come and eat, later. So they have the laundromat right here. This is the Laundry Express. So check out the Laundry Express. So next to the hotel or next to the apartment, so really nice. Like they have water here. We got the so this is a laundry. Sorry, you are the. We got Nanai Road Laundry Express. So they got 27 kilogram, 15, 10 kilogram, and here's a dryer. This is the price. So we got the dryer, 50 baht, 60 baht for 24 minutes. And the washer is right here, 70 baht, 50 baht, like that. So then, and then now here is the coin. You can change the coin. What's the coin change? You can have the coin change. Yeah, right here. So, oh, the coin change right here. Oh, this is a coffee. So you got a soap right here. Oh, the coin change right here. So you put the money in here. So I need to put 100 baht in there. Let's try. My first time here. I just moved here next door, so I do YouTube. So I sometimes we just do different things for people. So you put the 100 baht. I got a coin. Yeah, so we go get a soap. So the soap is right here, 5 baht each. So this is your hygiene detergent right here. We put 1 baht in there. So we need 2, 1 more. So we got 2 here. Yeah. Oh, somebody forgot. Somebody get 1 soap I forget to get. This yours? Extra, I don't know who that is. So you just put the clothes in here. And then I got a 10 kilogram right here. So you need the 10 kilogram. The small one. Oh, this one's not working. So we use the 15 then. Yeah. Just throw the clothes in there and then just put the soap in there. It's the laundry. You got to wash once a week so you don't have overload. It's raining outside. Lucky we just got here and it's pouring down. Rainy season, so usually it rains like a few hours and it stops, so it's not like all day. It's the part of the raining season, so May to November. So when it rains, you just do something or eat something, and then you come back and it's go have lunch or coffee like that. So we got let's throw everything in there. Okay. Then there's the soap. We put the soap in there. And I got a scissor, everything here. So best about Thailand, they got everything in Thailand. Everything, all the service, everything here. So amazing. So chop that up, cut that, just put it in there. That's one. And then I cut another one. Oh, somebody forgot the stuff. It's okay. Yeah, this is soap. Some of them are like freshener. We got extra one. Just put it in. That's it. So we just open it, close it, and then 60 baht. Put 60 baht in there. That's one. 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more. 5. One more. 6. And then just put the coal hot and then push the button. That's it. And then take about a few minutes to be done. So like usually about 25-30 minutes. Just wait here, watch the rain coming right down. See, it's almost just a little bit downpour. That's it. And then meanwhile, you can have food next door or do whatever. So really nice.